soil.
we've been squeezing soil here.
There's
a little moisture now. Yeah, now it's moisture. Wash my hands, things are slightly.
Collaboration.
Small one, huh? You want to have at least 2 buried, so yeah, at least 2 buried. So at the earliest would be that one. That's it. Like that. And then we'll cut it here, like in an angle, 45, and then we'll dip it and drop it in.
This is.
That's too small. We can cut it anyway. So these ones here, we're going to be cutting it here at an angle, dipping in the hormone, and then we're going to wrap it. There's 2. This gets buried and this gets buried. So
2 nodes get buried.
2 nodes. 2/3 should be buried actually. So we're going to really bury most of it.
Whoa.
I'm not covering too much.
So that one person was doing the slits, the other person was taking off like wedges, and this is scraped as long as it's exposed. Get that, man?
We're good.
2, 3, 5.
Just empty one of these.
That's it?
Sick, good.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. On New Year's Day, we had a great Procagate propagation celebration, and we made cuttings and we put them into these little plastic bags. And look, there's roots. There's roots. We have what's a mulberry here. We have a fig, and we have a pomegranate. You can see best roots are actually on the fig, but the mulberry is also doing very well. The roots on the pomegranate are really small, and these ones are pretty thick on this fig here. And all the mulberries were the most successful. As you can see, this one's been wrapped in Parafilm, and this just breaks right through it. And what it does is hold some moisture in the stick so it doesn't dry out too much. These ones we did into mulberry and pomegranate we just left alone. They grew just fine, so maybe it helps, maybe it doesn't. It's all of this. In addition to mulberries and figs, we actually got this tropical vining plant called a passion fruit. And it has little tiny little roots coming out. These are soil bags. It's kind of like a pot, but cheaper. It's a 1 gallon container. It's actually a 0.7 gallon. It's a nursery gallon. So let's fill it up with soil. Okay? And then this is a smaller container. I'll probably use this for the pomegranate because it's very small. So I got these scissors here. We're gonna make them nice. We haven't done this before, so it's our first try. It's our first batch. So cut it right out. Boom! And then, look how cute. It's only a little bit of roots, so like, this pot's even almost too big for it. We'll just pop it in right there. And we're gonna hold it about that level. So I'm just gonna pop in some soil. And pomegranate. It's a wonderful pomegranate. It was just a stick, and now it's a tree. little tiny tree. Ta-da! And we're gonna put it in the shade for safekeeping.